Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to tell if your Microsoft Copilot is the paid version or the free version. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Copilot on your device. Once you're in, take a look at the top of your screen. If you have a premium or paid account, you'll notice two tabs displayed there labeled Work and Web. These tabs are exclusive features for paid subscribers and allow you to switch between different modes depending on your needs. If you don't see these tabs at the top, that's your first indication that you're using the free version of Copilot. Now, let's verify this using another method to be completely sure. Direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon or picture there. Go ahead and click on it to access your account information. This area contains important details about your subscription status. Right below your profile information, you'll see a label indicating which version of Copilot you're currently using. In this example, it displays Copilot Chat Basic, which confirms that this is the free version and not a paid subscription. This label is a clear identifier of your account type, so it's the most reliable way to check your subscription status. If you had the paid version, this section would display Premium instead of Basic. That's the key difference you're looking for. The Premium label indicates that you have access to advanced features, priority responses, and additional capabilities that aren't available in the Basic version. And that's it. You've now confirmed whether your Microsoft Copilot is the paid premium version or the free basic version. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.